Hi, I'm Joe Abeln, Account Manager at Panther Industries. This video highlights our compact pneumatic P5c labeling automation system utilizing an incrementing barcode print and apply application. This P5c solution prints your barcodes on demand within the print engine of the P5c prior to application on the item. This eliminates the need to purchase expensive, pre-printed barcodes and provides flexibility so you can customize your barcode content across multiple items or varying sized labels. The P5c can accommodate standard barcode characteristics or be customized to fit your specific requirements if needed. Application options to apply the barcode include a direct tamp, like this example, tamp blow, swing arm, active wipe, or passive wipe. With OEM print engine integration from Zebra, Sato, or Honeywell, the P5c's incrementing barcode solution can be custom configured to align with your specific print engine requirements. Built for speed, accuracy, and reliability, Panther's incrementing barcode labeling solution will increase your throughput, reduce your expenses, and decrease waste or loss due to outdated processes in your business.